Just doing some regular day-to-day chores. Starting the spring cleanup now. Having a little lunch and a Mother's Day treat with a cup of tea. So here we are, we're just airing out the tent. We're getting ready to trade it for a truck tent, which I'll show in another video. Yeah, so we're just airing it out and getting it all cleaned up and getting ready to trade.
Tomorrow.
Just cooking up a taco bake for tonight for supper. Good night, everyone. Time for bed. Good night, Piper. Love you. You gonna say good night to everyone? Hey? Yeah? Okay. Piper says good night. Good morning. Just having a simple breakfast of toast and tea this morning. So my daughter's got a wedding this Saturday. Piper sees something out the window. Yeah, so she's got a wedding this Saturday. It's supposed to rain, but we'll just have to bring umbrellas. And then she's having the reception at the hall. And yeah, so maybe we'll get some footage of that, but you know, I'd like to respect everybody's privacy, so maybe I'll just show you the cake and the food and the decorations and such. But yeah, so looking forward to that. And if you made it this far into the video, I just want to thank you so much for watching and, you know, just coming along for a ride in my daily day-to-day adventures. So I thank you so much and appreciate that, and Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can stay updated on any new happenings. I'm sure this summer we're going to be taking some camping trips, and maybe something else big on the horizon, but I'm not too sure about that yet. But yeah, you never know where the wind shall take us, so definitely stay tuned, and yeah, like and subscribe. Thank you.